Plaça Pintor Gisbert. This square, also known as El Parterre, is an English-style garden that conceals the beautiful facade of the Palacete de Alborz, a palatial home that the industrialist Rigoberto Alborz commissioned for himself and his family in 1873. In a classicist and eclectic style, the building displays a facade featuring a great balcony with stone balustrade and a prominent cornice with a balustrade and a central clock. The land on which the square now stands was also once owned by the industrialist, who donated it to the city council. Coinciding with the construction of this mansion was Alcoy's El Petroli uprising to protest against the deplorable living conditions suffered by the working class. This violent disturbance cost several lives, including that of the mayor of Alcoi, whose body was dragged through the streets by the angry mob at the height of their hysteria.